Hey everyone, the book How to Live on 24 Hours a Day teaches some timeless principles that we can apply to our planners today in order to make the most of our time and to live more fulfilling lives. In the book, Bennett writes, "You have to live on this 24 hours of daily time." To make the most of each day, he highlights the importance of aligning our time with our personal values. One idea for implementing the concepts of this book into your planner is to create a values insert in your planner where you list out your core principles. So brain dump what those are and choose the ones that mean the most to you. Then as you are planning out each week, you choose one of those values to focus on and you set a goal related to that value. Let's say you identified family as a core value and your long-term goal is to strengthen your family bonds through shared activities. And maybe you could also list out action items on this insert that will help you to achieve your goal. For example, maybe your action item is to plan a family activity once a week, such as a game night, movie night, or a nature walk. Here's how you might implement this in your planner. Each Sunday, you review your value of family and task of plan a family activity for the week. Once you've selected an activity, say a family game night on Friday, block off 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. in your planner for this time together. Make it a recurring task each week to block off a dedicated block of time to ensure it becomes a regular part of your family schedule. Then, at the end of the week, during your weekly review, you could take a moment to reflect on the family activity. Consider questions like, did we enjoy our game night? How did it strengthen our family bond? This way you are aligning your weekly tasks with what matters most to you. In next week's video, I have some more ideas for applying the concepts from this book into your planner, so I hope you'll join me for that. Check out this video next for some time management tips for your planner, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!